Hi, I'm Tom Morley. I'm Senior Director for IT for ABM. When people ask me about ABM and ask what we do, I normally tell them the same thing I found out when I joined ABM. It's probably the largest, oldest company you've never heard of. It's 110 years old, plus 140,000 people, and it's basically international. We're here in the US, big in the UK, and we continue to expand. The way we help most of our customers is we have multiple industry groups. We do HVAC, we do landscaping, we do energy, we do, you pretty much name it. Most of our contingent, we do a lot of the low-tech and high-tech stuff, all related to any kind of facilities management, facilities solutions that you would want. We use Veeam for all of our data protection. Last year, we engaged with a partnership with Veeam. We basically saw the need that our recoveries were too slow. We didn't have a good grasp on basically testing after you've backed up, huge piece. You know, you have to protect against ransomware. So all of our critical data is protected by Veeam. The digital transformation here is maybe different at other companies. Since we have a lot of low-tech and high-tech, and IT kind of glues them together, we're trying to position ourselves with our modernization so that as we go to hospitals or we go to educations or airports or you name it, we're ready for the businesses to come to us and say, we have a new kind of service that we need you to go ahead and enable for us. Knowing your data is available is key. You can sleep at night. There's nothing worse than not knowing if your data is either protected or you can back it up and you can restore it. And the biggest thing for us is my customers are obviously our business units. I have to make sure their data is available, they can get to it, and it's doing what they want. So it's key for them to then meet their customers, which are the actual customers that are out there. How we're going to use Veeam in the future is probably the most exciting. We know what we want to do right now, which is the basic block and tackling. We've even improved on that for what we've had over the last few years. And we're really hoping it converges kind of more with the DR, and we can really just put our backup, recovery, DR, and almost all of that specific technology and that specific need on top of Veeam, and then just ride it going forward.